Meet Wandile Keva, a Grootfontein Agricultural Development Institute graduate whose passion for farming began during childhood visits to the villages. Although he studied animal health production, Wandile has now ventured into vegetable farming, where he continues to grow his agricultural journey. He thanks his extension and advisory practitioner, Siliziwe Malkas, for her continued support through working tools, fertilizers, seedlings, and valuable technical guidance.
Usisi Malkazi undincedile kakhulu esigosa lami lalapha eJoqabi. Nguye umuntu bekahamba phambili manje WhatsApp ngithi ndishoda ngefertilizer, ndishoda ngembewu, ngishoda ngeworking tools. Uyeke umuntu bekandinceda kakhulu, aphinde futhi andilethe ne-applications mase sivulile applications bekandincedisa ke nokuzigcwalisa to make sure ukuthi application yami ihamba kakuhle. Ndambulela kakhulu for ukuthi unesineke apha kuma ndikhalaza ngezinto ezithile uyakwazi ukuthi ke azame by all means ukuthi andincede ngoko khokhoyo anganceda ngakho.
Through dedicated officials and hard-working farmers, agriculture in the Eastern Cape continues to grow from strength to strength. Lo myalezo ni uphathelwe liSebe lezoLimo.